Do you have too many boards within Monday.com and you can never find the board that you need? Let me teach you a really easy trick so you can favorite certain boards and then only see those boards and not get lost in the clutter of all of your Monday.com boards.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a certified Monday.com partner and the founder of Simpleday. My goal is to help you build powerful yet simple workflows with Monday.com. If you need help with a custom implementation, my contact details are in the description below. Let's jump into today's tutorial and make Monday the best part of your week.
If you look on the left side over here, which is essentially my table of contents of everything that's in my workspace, you can see that I have tons and tons of boards. And usually you don't need all of these boards. Now, I do recommend that you should use folders, and there's other ways to keep these boards a little bit more organized. But let's say you only want to see a few boards at a time. What can you do? Because those are the boards you use every day. So here you could see I have a dashboard, and right next to the name of the dashboard is a star, and I can simply favorite it. Another way to do this is if I am hovering over a board, I click on these three dots. I can choose add to favorites. So now these two boards have been starred because they're my favorites. And over here on the top left, I click on favorites, and you can see that I only have those two boards. I haven't lost any other boards, but I can focus only on the boards that I need. If I need to remove something from favorites, I simply can click on the dot again, or I can go back to the three dots and click on remove from favorites. And now you see I don't have any boards in favorites, and here are all my boards. So this is a really simple way to keep you focused on the boards that you use probably every day, and it can filter out everything else that you don't need to see. I'd love to hear in the comments if this feature is something that you use and if it's helpful to keep you focused when you're working within Monday.com.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.